Now after weighted vote, let's understand weighted ratings. So weighted ratings is again very important factor. In first part of the recommendation system or popularity based recommendation system, we understood the importance of votes. While selecting specific items based on votes, we have given utmost importance to how many users voted for a specific item, which gives us an idea that how popular the specific item is based on number of users or number of hits it is going to get. Now, after having the popularity things available based on vote, we have to also consider on the rating part of it, which is being measured with the help of weighted rating. So in weighted rating, we try to again figure out that how popular the item is. One is popular means in terms of number of peoples using it. Another one is in terms of rating it. So if I mean, in this particular section, we are going to be more assessing on the quality part of the specific item. Now, with the weighted rating, we try to assess on the quality or on the average rating that how good is the specific rating given to the user, and that is again being measured by the weighted rating. The formula for weighted rating is going to be again remain same, but there will be slight changes in terms of how R and C is measured. Here the R is average rating given by quality, not by number but by quality to a specific item. That means it tells us about how popular is the item by quality. Then V here again is the number of users who voted for the item, because it is very important that if somebody is giving good quality or good rating to a specific item, at the same time we have to see that how many users has actually given this particular rating. If one or two user just giving the rating 5 and overall rating itself is overall number of votes which are being given to a specific item are just 1 or 2, then it does not make sense. If the particular item is getting good rating, so at the same time it should be coming out from many users, then we will be able to believe the rating of a specific item more firmly, right? Then next item, next variable here is M, that is minimum rating required to be listed in the top N. So earlier we have taken M as minimum number of votes given to a specific item. Now here it is minimum rating required to be listed in top n number of items. So if we want to show some item in top 5 or top 10, then what is the minimum rating which is required, because all the other items will be of course more than that particular rating. Then finally C is the mean rating across whole report. So in entire report or all the items which are available in the inventory, what is the mean rating over there? And then of course we are going to look for the items who are at the higher side of the rating. All right.